Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites. Make sure your carrier supports Volte and your account has the feature active. Once done, update your phone firmware and back up critical data. This prevents lost settings. Next, check the SIM is in the primary slot and that mobile data is on, because Volte requires an active data connection. If you see airplane mode or network lock, clear those first. Then restart the device to load the updated network profile and proceed to the next steps. You now configure network settings precisely. First, toggle the Volte option off, reboot, then toggle it back on to force carrier provisioning. Then set preferred network to LTE or 4G only while testing so voice tries Volte rather than falling back. Next, reset the APN and carrier settings to defaults to remove corrupt parameters. This ensures correct SIP and IMS routing. If your phone has an IMS status page, check registration success. Once the phone shows IMS registered, attempt a call to verify. You finish by running controlled test calls and messages to confirm Volte is working and to evaluate call stability. If calls still drop or fall back to 3G, power off, reinsert the SIM, and try the SIM in another compatible phone to isolate whether the issue is device or network. If the alternate phone works, you need a device repair or firmware rollback. If not, gather IMS registration logs and contact your carrier. Provide those logs and the exact timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.